Hello everyone. Welcome to this class. Again the topic is similar triangles from class 10. In last class we studied about Thales theorem and its proof. Today I am teaching you the converse of Thales theorem with proof. Today I am teaching you the converse of Thales theorem, statement and its proof. So let us study first what is the statement of converse of Thales theorem. Converse what itself shows that whatever we have learned in the Thales theorem उसका उल्टा करना है converse. So what is the statement of Thales theorem? In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle divides the remaining two sides in the same ratio. ये statement है किसका? Thales theorem का. तो what is the converse? उल्टा कर दो उसका. In a triangle, if a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, must be parallel to the third side. What is the statement of converse of Thales theorem? In a triangle, if a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, must be parallel to the third side. So look at the diagram ADE. If a line, suppose DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio, means AD upon DB, AE upon EC. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC is given, and we need to prove that DE is parallel to BC. So again, first what we have to write? Diagram is important. Then the second step is given in triangle ABC, AD upon DB is AE upon EC is given. ठीक? To prove DE is parallel to BC. So this theorem we have to prove with the method called contradiction. Contradiction method. 9th class में हमने पढ़ा था कि root 2 is rational या root 2 is irrational. So let us suppose that root 2 is rational, and then we have to prove at last that our assumption is wrong, and that's why we say that root 2 is irrational. So similarly the contradiction method we have to use in this theorem. कि हमें prove करना है DE is parallel to BC. Let us suppose that D is not parallel to BC. कोई और लाइन है जो कि parallel है BC के. तो prove that DE is not parallel to BC. DE dash is parallel to BC. DE dash parallel to BC. DE parallel BC नहीं है. कौन सी लाइन है? DE dash is parallel to BC. So now, if DE dash is parallel to BC, then apply Thales theorem. What is the statement of Thales theorem? In a triangle, if a line is parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So if DE dash is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB is equal to AE dash upon E dash C by Thales theorem. ठीक है? This is the equation number 1. But what is given? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the equation number 2 given. On comparing 1 and 2 या from equation 1 and 2 या on equating 1 and 2 कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. From equation 1 and 2, look at this. Their left hand sides are equal, so their right hand side will also equal. So AE dash upon E dash C is equal to AE upon EC. Now then apply the componendo law. One of the proportion law of proportion. Componendo, dividendo, invertendo, alternando. These are the laws of proportion. So what is the law they have to use? That is law called componendo. Componendo law में क्या करते हैं? We have to add one both side. A E dash upon E dash C plus 1 is equal to AE upon EC plus 1. Take the LCM. AE dash plus E dash C upon E dash C. AE plus EC upon EC. Look at the diagram. AE dash plus E dash C is what? Is AC. Again look at the diagram. AE plus EC is what? Again AC. AC से AC cancel. So therefore E dash C is equal to EC. Look at the diagram. EC is equal to E dash C. Is possible? No, it's not possible. Unless or until when E dash and E coincides themselves. जब तक ये दोनों आपस में एक पॉइंट पे नहीं होंगे, जब तक ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. और पॉसिबल किसी एक पॉइंट का दो डिफरेंट पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस कैसे सेम हो सकता है? ई सी और ई डैश सी. Look at the figure. So it's not possible until when E and E dash coincide each other. When E dash and E coincide each other, then DE is DE dash itself. When E and E dash coincide each other, then DE is DE dash itself. तो हमने क्या सपोज किया था कि DE is not equal to BC. हमने प्रूफ कर दिया कि DE DE dash है. तो hence DE is parallel to BC. तो यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी थ्योरी लिखना पड़ेगी. This is impossible unless or until when E and E dash coincide with each other. Hence DE dash is DE itself. So our assumption is wrong. Hence prove that DE is parallel to BC. Clear to you? लिख लेंगे आप इतना जो तो मैंने बोला है. Okay? So that's all from this class. Thank you very much.